Hearing rattling or ticking from your Impala's engine, especially on startup or idle, that often means worn timing chain components or reduced oil flow. Extended oil change intervals and frequent short trips make it worse. Haynes offers comprehensive repair details, from torque settings to component diagrams and step-by-step illustrations, helping you diagnose problems early, make accurate repairs, and prevent costly timing system failures later on. Access your Chevrolet Impala repair guide now at haynes.com